Hey guys, so my son and I are making sweet potato cornbread from Jiffy Mix today. So we started out with a boiled sweet potato and mixed that very well. I do recommend that you put it in the oven to keep those good flavors from the sweet potato. And I used the Jiffy Mix recipe as I normally would. I did add a tablespoon of butter. Then I go in and add that potato to the Jiffy mixture along with my nutmeg, my light brown sugar, and my cinnamon. I mix that well. If you're not allergic to nuts, you can add the nuts into your mixture and then add it to the cupcake thingies. Once I was done with that, I put it in the oven. I let it cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. And I did also make some cinnamon honey butter to spread on top of that. These were so good. I think I'll be eating my cornbread like this from now on. It was so delicious. The details are in the description for the recipe. I hope that you guys enjoyed, and I will see you next time. Stay blessed. Peace.